Good afternoon, students. We learn ninth standard English. You listen carefully and answer correctly. We are going to see the fun they had. त्यांनी अनुभवलेली मजा. First we see important activity, chit chat. So what do you like best about your school? I like the playground of my school most. Do you think school is fun? Yes. Which is the part that you don't like? I don't like the library. How often should the teacher give you test? Once in a week. Now, classify carefully and listen carefully. Write each word in the appropriate column or columns. See, ancient in first column, second modern, third futuristic. So I read bicycles, fields, bullock carts, tar roads, ships, computers, floppy disks, audio, video, telephone, books, vacuum, cleanness, and also umbrellas. In second, bullet trains, robots, horse-drawn carriages, spaceships, television, windmills, earth movers, brushes, mobile phones, notebooks, ball pens, water on tap, electric lamps, air conditioners, microbiology, school, flying cars, tanga, homework, aeroplanes, cameras, access, motor and pestle, hot air balloons, headphones, tests, solar lamps, electric lamps, candles, grammar. Now see in column ancient the correct answer: bicycles, fields, bullock carts, telephone, books, umbrellas, earthen stores, fans, geography, schools, horse-drawn carriages. In modern, tar roads, ships, computers, floppy disks, audio video, cassettes, telephone, vacuum cleaners, books, umbrellas, geography, bullet trains, windmills, spaceships, television, earth movers, brushes, mobile phones, school, notebooks, ball pens, water on tap, electric lamps, air conditioners, microbiology, homework, aeroplanes, cameras, handphones, hot air balloons, tests, solar lamps, grammar. In futuristic, books, computers, vacuum cleaners, umbrellas, geography, bullet trains, school, spaceships, television, earth movers, brushes, mobile phones, notebooks, water on tap, air condition, microbiology, flying cars, homework, aeroplanes, cameras, headphones, tests, electric lamps, and grammar. So, a student, open your book and see carefully and listen on page number 6. The fun they had. Maji wrote about it that night in her diary. On the page headed 17 May 2157, she wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book. It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. They turned the pages, which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen. And then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. Gee, said Tommy, what waste! When you are through with the book, you just throw it away. I guess our television screen must have and a million books on it, and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. Some with mine, said Margie. She was even and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13. She said, "Where did you find it?" "In my house," he pointed without looking because he was busy reading in the attic. "What's it about school?" Margie was scornful. School. What's there to write about school? I hate school. Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing hours and hours until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. So, students, you should listen introduction of this story and listen carefully for this summary. The fun they had in an imaginary and scientific right by the American writer Isaac Asimov. It is supposed that the incident would have happened in the future time. 2157. The children learn by sitting in their home by mechanical teachers. Tommy, 13 years old, found an old book in the attic. Margie, 11 years old girl, asks information about that book. Actually, they have plenty of telebooks and their TV screen contains a million books. They are surprised to see the old book. It is about school. Margie hates school. Margie has a mechanical teacher at her home and gives lessons and exams to her. Margie inquires Tommy about the school in the past time. Tommy tells her that it was not their kind of school. The book tells about a time when children learned under the guidance of human teachers. Margie does not want a human teacher at her home. as she thinks that man is not wise to teach. Tommy also informs her that the students would go to school, the teachers had a special building as a center of learning. Margie gets amazed by knowing the things that the kids from the whole neighborhood would attend the school, laughing and shouting in the school yard, sitting together in the school rooms, returning home together after school is over. At the end of story, daydreams about the fun they had. Now we are going to see some simple factual questions. Listen carefully. True or false? Margie found an old book in the attic. Answer is false. Margie and Tommy have books on their television screen. Answer is correct. Margie's grandfather had stories painted on paper. Answer is true. Tommy was 11 years old. Answer is false. See, some questions you write down in your notebook. I will ask you some questions. Listen carefully and without make any mistakes. First question: what does Margie mean by real book? Margie supposes a real book to an old book when the stories were printed on paper. Margie and Tommy use telebook. What are they like? Telebook is a book made available in the text on a television screen. How old Margie and Tommy? Margie is 11 and Tommy is 13 years old. What did Margie write in her diary? Margie wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book in her diary." Thank you, boys.